Hey there, EV enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into something really exciting, the transformation of Morocco's electric vehicle industry, all thanks to some massive Chinese investments. Just a few kilometers from Tangier, there's something monumental happening. It's called the Mohammed VI Tanger Tech City, and it's not just another tech park. This place is rapidly emerging as a major hub for Chinese companies specializing in automotive components and electric vehicle batteries. So why Morocco, you ask? Well, it's all about strategic positioning. Morocco is like a gateway to Europe, and that's incredibly valuable for China. By investing heavily in Morocco, China is securing its access to the European market. Imagine the efficiency and cost savings of doing business just a short hop away from Europe instead of shipping everything from China. Now let's talk about the scale of this project. Mohammed VI's Tanger Tech City isn't just some small-scale operation. We're talking about a city designed to host hundreds of Chinese companies. It's projected to create around 100,000 jobs and generate billions in revenue. That's not just a win for Morocco's economy, but also a significant step forward for the global EV industry. Think about it. With Morocco's proximity to Europe, this tech city could become a central node in the supply chain of electric vehicles. Batteries, components, and even fully assembled EVs could be shipped quickly and efficiently to European markets. This is also a brilliant move for China. By setting up shop in Morocco, they're not only reducing their shipping times and costs, but also circumventing some of the trade barriers that might exist between China and Europe. It's a strategic masterstroke. But let's not forget the local impact. For Morocco, this means job creation, infrastructure development, and technological advancements. It's a win-win situation. The country is rapidly becoming a significant player in the global EV market, and that's something to be proud of. And there's more. This initiative also paves the way for educational and research opportunities. Local universities and technical institutes can collaborate with Chinese companies, fostering innovation and skill development. So, what does this mean for the future of the EV industry? Well, it means a more diversified, efficient, and robust supply chain. It means quicker turnaround times for getting new EVs to market, and possibly even lower costs for consumers. It's an exciting time to be an EV enthusiast. To sum it all up, the Mohammed VI Tanger Tech City is not just transforming Morocco, it's setting the stage for the next big leap in the EV industry. It's a fascinating blend of strategic positioning, economic development, and technological innovation. So keep your eyes on Morocco, folks. The future of electric vehicles might just be getting charged up there. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of electric vehicles. See you next time.
Visit our website ev1.ma and subscribe to our channels.